These are my new Edifier PC gaming computer speakers. So I have actually set these up with my laptop, and I am so impressed with the amount of sound you can get from these. So I'm just unpacking it here. You can see that is the main power cord, and then it does come with aux cords as well. Some of it is pre-wired at the back as well. So here's just a quick look at the front and back and all the different hookups that you have on there. So only one speaker will have kind of all the main attachments at the back. So high quality audio on here. You will hear it in the end of the video with it hooked up to some music that I like. But you can see on here, there is 3 different compatibility modes. That's what really made this Bluetooth speaker stand out to me. So you can connect it via Bluetooth, USB, or the aux cords that come included as well. And then, of course, the lighting got me with this one as well. Just having that kind of backload of these are really fun, especially if you have them put up against a wall. But even if you just have it in kind of an open space like I have here, it just gives the room a nice glow and just makes the aesthetic really there. So they do have different modes that you can put the audio in. You can do it in a gaming mode, movie mode, or music mode. I'm just using it in the music mode here. You can adjust the sound on the side clicker to that left. You see that middle panel? That's where you change the sound level, or you can do it on your computer as well. Really love these. Check them out.